Hi, this is Mithun from Tenet Technetronics. In this video I am going to show how to control an external circuit using relay through MSP Launchpad. In this demo I have taken power supply breakout, ULN, relay and an IR sensor with MSP Launchpad. In this demo I have written a code in such a way the relay will be tricked depending upon the output of the IR sensor. Here I am controlling an external circuit which consisting of 8x20 LED matrix which utilizes 24 voltage. Let us see the demo. Whenever an obstacle is detected within the range of an IR sensor, it will send the logical one to the controller. Then the controller will turn on the relay. Let's see how it works. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit www.tenetech.com. Thank you.